What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another dope ass reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people from the city, from the Taiko, what we dealing with. We back in the music lab. Yeah, man, with one of the most talented dancer artists out right now. You see me, I hit me a kind of man. Them man come and hits after hits after hits. Them man shall be a boxer. And that me I tell you, cause the man don't stop come with the punchlines and the melodies. You see me? Who me I talk about? Me I talk about young artist, none other than Mr. Valiant himself. Yeah, man, dog dropped a song about 2 days ago called Expensive, and he dropped a music video. So we're gonna check it out and see what go on. Yeah, man, and what I do artist out right now. The man just drop hits after hits. The man just do it brawling, he just don't care. And yeah, we love it. Cause you drop good music, we loved it. You see me? We want from you drop good music, we love it, and we just gonna show you the support, cause you see me. No artists drop foolish, so yeah, man. But yeah, man, people, before we jump right now, track, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know your boy how you're trying to eat, you're trying to get to the bag, trying to secure some food. So I'm gonna need a sub, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so hit the like and subscribe button. We're gonna jump right in chat. This is Valiant, Expensive. Let's get it.
Father, yo, Babins, I'm still living out the tropics. Connect my phone on the office. Couple soul after damage. And I'm a
you hear that? Damn, the video cleaning, you hear that? That making money, that live life no coming.
yeah, and spots on my head, I'm a spray. And I'm a clear and spot. I'm a spray.
Clear and spot. Like that, but clear and spot is supposed to be the opposite. It doesn't mean one like broke and clear all party.
Expensive beats in my Panama. I'm still a buy leads for the data. Ship on the 17 just to fly back.
Yeah, man, easy now, man. Expensive beach in a Panama. I'm still a buy leads to the banger. I'm telling you, man, chip on the 17.
Fly back, come a catch for me, come a father. Girl, I say I'm too smooth, must a Cadillac. Smooth. Must a Cadillac, Must a Cadillac. Purple jeans on, girl, yeah, the Benz and leaving job. When I front the police, I don't know what we want. When the pan what we drive. Lock into the ass, me I live on PCH. Skull give me number.
Easy now, man. Easy now, man. I'm tuning, man, I live life. I'm think that work hard, feel that day I suffer and I live life. Brand new beach in a Panama. Brand new Benz. And say like, yeah, I'm here, man, out here live life now, dog. You see me, dog, I say, yo, if no one can still buy lead to the banger. You see me, cause you know when they say, oh, but I see on the case, you know what I'm saying, but let's get it.
Live for there, gone brick for there. Expensive beats in my Panama. I'm still a buy leads for the data. Ship on the 17 just to fly back. Just to fly back. Come a catch for me, come a father. Girl, I say I'm too smooth, must a Cadillac.
Catch you out now, man. Catch you out now, man. I like. Catch you out, I like.
Smooth. Must a Cadillac. Must a Cadillac. I'm a girl at the dark, I'm skull for me. And I know luxury. My chin like a drip, AP rule for my wrist. Money me one way, I know about sin. Expensive beats in my Panama. I'm still a buy leads with the data. Ship on the 17 just to fly back. Just to fly back. Come a catch for me, come a father. Girl, I say I'm too smooth, must a Cadillac.
Yeah, man, yo, them definitely go blow out. Hey, forgot that one, man. Come in, dog. Bad tune, Valiant. Don't know, me kinda get this track camera split, I know that, but bad tune, man. Valiant.
Must a Cadillac. Yo, papi, Jelly Blaster. Jeans like a Zara, shoes like a Prada.
Hello, man. Jeans are Zara, but the shoes are Prada. Come in, man.
Cologne disgusting, 9x19, never rusty.
Cologne disgusting, 9x19, never rusty. Tell them again.
Expensive beats in my Panama. I'm still a buy leads with the dial. Ship on the 17 just to fly back. I'm a catch for me, I'm a father. Girl, I'm too smooth, must a Cadillac.
Easy enough, man. Just beat out.
Must a Cadillac. Must a Cadillac. I'm father. Yo, Bobby. I'm still living on the tropics. Connect my phone on the office. Couple soul every day. And I'm a clear and smart, I'm a ride, I'm a spray. And I'm a clear and smart, I'm a spray.
Yeah, man, Valley, come in, man.
Expensive beats in my Panama. I'm still a buy leads with the dollar. Ship on the 17 just to fly back.
Let me feel like
just to fly back. I'm a catch for me, I'm a father. Girl, I'm too smooth, must a Cadillac. Smooth. Must a Cadillac, yeah. Must a Cadillac.
Yeah, man, mad tune, man. Come in, Valiant. Hey. Yeah, man, it's after hits, man. Yeah, man, the hit maker that the boxer himself opposed as an artist. Yeah, man, Valiant, man, that's one of them expensive. Theo, brand, yeah, expensive beach in a Panama. And still a buy lead to the banger. Hey, Theo now player. Yeah, man. But anyway, I said that, you know, that was Valiant expensive, real dope track. Me appreciate me, yo. We enjoy that one there. Valiant to make it after it's like say it's nothing, you know what I'm saying? Like it's a factory work, you know. You see me? But we love it because we love good music, we love vibes and energy, don't it? Yeah, man. So keep doing it, dog. You know, shooting for the stars. You keep doing it for the culture and for your country. You see me? Just keep doing what you're doing, keep being great and being even better. You know what I'm saying? But real dope track. Valiant, big up yourself anyway, where you build up a whole team, you see me, I do the thing the right way, dog, and I hope you continue. Hope nobody, you know, mess you over, mess up your career and everything there. You see me, just keep doing it and shoot for the start. Yeah, man, people, that was Valiant, expensive. Let me know anything about it one day. Drop the comments in the comment section. Definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know what you think about that one. You don't know, hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, it's your boy Jambisco here now. Hit that smashing out banger. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.